Okay, so I have my hair up in this turban towel. My hair is kind of damp. I'm using a heat protectant, the Tresemme. I've been using this for years, so I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. Okay, like so. I'm going to go through and section off the back of my hair. Like so. Boom, bada bing. Bing, bada boom, boom, bada bing, bing. You know, like so. See? Then section of the hair and the back into two sections. I'm gonna take this one and twist it up and pin it up like so. And then if you have thick hair and you don't have this kind, what are you doing? And of course I'm gonna detangle my hair. Just, you know, I don't run into anything while blow drying it. So that's good and detangled. And then I have this Too Chic Cherry Blossom Rose Petal. It's a Super Potion Soaking Summer Serum. So just to help my hair shine. I use a little bit of that. One good squirt of that. Coats it. Okay, so it's blow drying out quite nicely. I'm just having an issue getting this hair out the way for the roots, because you gotta get your
then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, I mean, it blows the hair. Oh, look, it blows out my hair quite nicely so far. Oh. Girl, your hair is grown. My hair is really grown. Like, my hair. If you know, you know, my hair is grown, okay? Oh my God. I'm so amazed at it. Like, oh, it's not the longest of long, and I know I need a nice little trim. That's why I'm actually blow drying my hair, so I can get a trim. But my hair I don't think my hair has ever really been this long. That's why I'm so amazed of it. I used to be bald headed. I mean, I wasn't bald headed. It was just like, oh my God. But look at it. All right, let me go ahead and finish this. Go this other side. And Jesus. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in, do the same thing again. Put the serum on. I'm putting like a half of, I don't know if you guys can see it. It ain't that, I'm not putting that much on it, just enough. So I'll make sure my hair shines on it. And I'm picking up my hair just so I don't get any tangles in it while blow drying. Okay. Ooh.
Deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
I mean, I'll say this, compared to a regular blow dryer, it's a lot easier to handle. That I can say. Here we go. But yeah, I'll say it's a lot easier on the arm. Yeah, I need a trim so bad. I can tell. Yeah. See, not that much. Needs to be cut off. But that's okay. It'll grow back. That's another key thing to growing your hair. Please do not be afraid to trim off that dead hair. It does not matter how long your hair is. If it's all split in. Girl, cut them hands off like you should have. Cut that boy off. Clip your ends and cut that boy off at the same time. Just cut off all that weight. It does you no good. But yeah, I'm just plaiting this down or braiding it down. Like so. Like so. Oh my god. Alright, so what I am going to do, I'm going to finish towards the back of my head and off camera. And then I'm going to come back on camera once I'm towards the front. So you can get like a better view. You guys can get a better view of everything. So I'll be back. Okay, so I will say this one thing about it, like, you're supposed to be able to blow out, like, probably curl it. I don't think that feature works as well on my hair. I don't think it does. That's fine for what it is. It's like the shine is on point. It's blowing my hair out wonderful. I mean, look, for what?
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, then dip me under.
So apparently my camera wasn't recording as I was blow drying this whole entire section, but I'm gonna finish blow drying. I'm blow drying it on high, but this is so, as I said in the previous clip, my camera wasn't recording, and I thought it was recording. Don't know how, and I'm looking dead at the screen, but you know, it's late. It's like almost 1 o'clock at this point. this is where I am. I'm at the last top of my hair. So now I'm just doing my little braids, little plaits, and a ponytail. Well, a little bun, just to keep them out the way as I finish blow drying my hair. So how am I to do this? Maybe like right here. Whew. That's one way I know I need to trim. Our hair has a lot of like little fairy knots and stuff at the ends. That's just the, see, that's how I know it's well needed trim. That's when I start getting fairy knots. That usually means I should have been got a trim, but I haven't had a chance to. I haven't had anybody do it because I do not trust just anybody with a pair of scissors near my hair. I have trauma from that one. Part this and then comb it. Okay. Here we go. The shine for me. It's the shine. Honestly, that's what it is. It's the shine for me. I need to. It's the shine for me. Yeah, it's the shine. It's shining like, oh my So this is what let me put this up. So I'm gonna go ahead finish this last little part. It's not little, it's a lot of hair of my hair. Then I am actually gonna come back to you guys with these little braids out and my hair fully blow dried. Okay, I am done. I'm just gonna take these out. While I take these out, I'm gonna tell you guys what I think of the Revlon blow dryer. I love it. I love it. Like my hair, as you can see, my hair is shiny. It's easier. Like it gets hot, but it's like, unlike the blow dryers with the nozzle, you don't have to worry about like holding the nozzle, burning your, like it get hot, burning your hand or anything. Oh, because I have an issue with that. Because I don't know. And I have a problem with the nozzle on my regular blow dryer. Like, my regular handheld, regular blow dryer. I think it's like the Red Kiss one. It was the same one everyone has. I got. But yeah, I definitely recommend that. Like, it has my hair. Like, my hair is blown out so well. Like, I mean, like any other blow dryer, at the top of my head, once I got to like this part of my head, my arms got tired because it's like I'm holding my arms above the top of my head. But that's expected. I feel like that's expected with anything you're doing to your hair once you get to that point, especially when your hair is as thick as mine. That's expected. But as y'all can see, as I'm taking these little plaits out, I mean, my hair is full. But, so, as far as the blow dryer, I would definitely recommend it. Especially if you have natural hair, I would definitely recommend it. Like, natural curly hair. Especially if you get your hair braided. And you know how stylists nowadays, they want your hair to be blown, basically bone straight before you come to get your hair done. This is like, look, I can't get my hair any straighter without throwing in a flat iron. So I feel like, yeah, this would be the move for that. Oh, yeah. I'm just finishing up taking these little plaits out so you guys can see what we are working with. So, if you do not have that, I think I paid about like $40-50 at Ulta for it. I got it at Ulta. I'm sure you can get it at places like Walmart, your beauty supply store. I'm sure the beauty supply store, because they be taxing. Oh, whatever. I'm sure it's gonna be more expensive there. And I'm sure there's other, but this, I honestly don't see myself going back to a regular blow dryer on my hair, especially if I have to blow dry my hair. I mean, I'm gonna still keep my regular blow dryer because anything can happen. You always need a blow dryer on deck, and plus I use my regular blow dryer, or my dryer cap when I have to sit up under my little dryer cap. Have one of those dryer caps that you stick the dryer under in the nozzle, little tinfoil looking thingy. Oh my gosh, this one right here. I braided it so precise. Not precise, that is definitely not the word, but it was a smaller section of hair. So it was a smaller braid. And with it being a smaller braid, it took a little more TLC taking it out. But I find that, just braiding the sections as I go is like the easiest way to separate like the wet hair and dry hair. Just so, I got one more. Just so I don't get the dry hair wet or over dry it or get it mixed up, But if you guys know an easier way to separate it, let me know. I think this is the last one. Yeah. But you can see, oops, take my okay, if you don't have this comb, girl, get you one of them. And get you one. But this is my hair. It is dried with it. So, if you like this video, which I know you did, go ahead and subscribe for more content of me. And go ahead and comment below. Have you used this product? What do you think? Below in the comment section. And make sure you hit the bell button to be notified any and every time I post. But thank you so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Bye, guys.